Sam, earlier this week, the Secretary of State's office removed 273 voters from the South Dakota voter roll. Those removed were not U.S. citizens, but any further information regarding their registration details have not been shared. Dakota News Now's Grant Green has more on this story.
73 individuals specifically were taken off the voter registration rolls. Samantha Chapman says that it shouldn't happen at all within 90 days of an election.
This clause is listed in Section 8 of the National Voter Registration Act. Although it does not preclude correction of a registrant's information, however, this may not leave enough time for improper removals.
If you're doing a blanket sweep removal of voters, you might inadvertently disenfranchise or remove otherwise eligible voters. And now if you're within 90 days of an election, as that voter who's been disenfranchised, amount of time to reasonably re-register to vote is quite short.
Minnehaha County Auditor Leah Anderson says about 112 of these non-U.S. citizens removed were from Minnehaha County alone. Some of their records go back to 2019.
We went ahead and verified that, and we did not find that any of the people that were impacted had voted previously or in this year.
Anderson did express concerns with how this purge was carried out as well, citing two different state laws which make it clear that the county auditors are responsible for voting registration records.
They have not communicated with our offices, the auditor's offices, about sending any kind of notification out. In my opinion, that should happen.
So far, Dakota News Now has not been notified if and how these individuals have been notified of their removal from the voter roll.
We're within 30 days of the election, so Chapman says for those that might have been taken off the registration rolls to check your registration status immediately. In Sioux Falls, Grant Green, Dakota News Now.